Hi, this is Lauren with the Perco team. I'm at address 96580 Commodore Point in Yulee, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,400 square feet. It is pouring outside, so I would walk around the exterior, but you have a 2-car garage, vinyl siding. The neighborhood has street lights and sidewalks. You have a water spigot and sprinklers in the flower beds. This is a well-developed neighborhood. This house was built in 2006. There is no CDD fees in this neighborhood, but you have $450 HOA a year. And you also have a $1,040 neighborhood maintenance fee once a year as well. So when you walk into the home, you enter into the foyer. You have a door to the right that leads to your garage. You have a archway here to the left that goes into the first 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Bedroom number 1. You also have a spot for your Ethernet cable, and you have a cable line. You do have popcorn ceiling, bifold doors for the closet, standard closet. This room is probably a 10 by 10. Going into the first full bathroom, you have Formica countertops, single vanity. You have a shower and tub combo. This is like a laminate flooring. You have a linen closet here. Bedroom number 2. This one's a little bit bigger. This one looks about to be 11 by 10. Again, with a standard closet with bifold doors. You do have ceiling fans in each bedroom. Going into the garage, again, just a standard 2-car garage, automatic door opener. You have your air handler out here in the garage, as well as your water heater. You do have a ledge in the garage to pull your car up to, but then you also have storage space. This is the living room. Again, with laminate flooring. You do have a sliding glass back door. Formal dining room. Opens up to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have Formica countertops. This is your pantry built in. You have 2 windows here overlooking the back. This is tile. This is the view from the back of the house to the front of the house. And the master is off the living room. You have a window overlooking the backyard. Sorry about me being in the mirror. You have a his and her closet, one on each side. You have a single vanity, Formica countertops. The commode is behind a door for privacy. And you have a shower and tub combo in here as well. You have vertical blinds going into the backyard. You have a covered patio area overlooking the pond. You do not have a fence, but your neighbor if you're standing in the back, the neighbor to the right has a fence, but the neighbor to the left does not. So if you wanted to fence in, you would have to do the side and the back. It is on a concrete slab. You do not have a crawl space, which is good, so you don't have to worry about moisture barriers. Again, this is Lauren with the Perco team. If you'd like to know more about this home or any home in Florida, Georgia, or South Carolina, please give us a call at 706-533-5694. Have a good day.